Hello, good evening. We're having we're having our dinner, light dinner at the Crescent 28, Dover. Okay, near our house. We're going for grocery. Okay, April 8, 2026. There's Disney boy with his teacher advocate of the 74 years in Singapore. Wrapping namakay and shamay again. Enjoy Singapore. Okay. Present 28. Use it for a price like this. Okay, Dover, Singapore. Ngayon na happy. Simple light dinner. Enjoy Singapore.